Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone is having a wonderful Sunday. I'm here to just tell you a little bit about something that me and my husband recently purchased this weekend. He really needed a new laptop for work, so we went ahead and went to the store and purchased this. We told the worker that we were just looking for a computer that would be convenient, easy to use, really just for Microsoft Office, the regular standard, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, QuickBooks, stuff like that. So, and surfing the web, of course. So he suggested we get this. So this is an HP Envy 360M convertible. I've actually never owned an HP before, but it's really great. It's very, very simple to use, and it's a great computer. I went from having I had like a standard Dell before this, and I feel like, I don't know, it feels like a little bit more sturdy. It's like more heavy and stuff like that. So it says the power to create with confidence, 8th generation Intel Core i5 quad-core processor. It has pen and touch support and integrated fingerprint reader, which is awesome. An ultra bright FHD display and audio by Bang Olufsen. So HP's been around for a while, pretty popular brands, and they hold up to their name. So Intel Core i5 8th generation. I think there's a reason they've been around for a long time. They're really great. My uncle actually he's like a tech guy, and he has an HP, and he always says good things about it. So I'm definitely happy with our choice. It says you could use your smartphone for reviews, video, features, specs, and support. Standard data rates may apply, and then you could scan that there from your smartphone. It's like your typical keyboard and everything. This is the box that it comes in, which was loaded with like styrofoam and stuff, and to make sure everything's good during packaging. Package is recyclable. Box meets all construction requirements of applicable. I think it has like a nice sleek design. It tells you the number on here. Super easy to turn on. Just this button to the left right here. Plenty of room for the USB cable, headphones, whatever you need to plug in there. It comes with all the wires, of course, to charge it. Ta-da! It's turned on. I feel like I always get excited getting new tech gifts, even if I buy it for myself, I still get excited about it. Get another ports over here, HDM1. I feel like the screen is really nice too. Great for like if you want to watch a movie or something like that. It's perfect. I'm like old school with like the keyboard, like back in the day when we learned in computer class how to type. I'm like a really, really fast typer, and I just like how I like how the keyboard feels. It's very soft. Just want to show you guys the back too. Simplicity is, when it comes to technology, is probably my favorite thing ever. So the tech guy at the store was like, he's like, you're definitely going to be happy with this product. Like, it's going to be nice and simple for you. So they could just go to sleep, shut down, restart on the side here. Very simple. You can set up your connection this way. Here's the Wi-Fi in my house.
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically.
Okay. And as you can see, not much is set up here, but we are going to be setting up Microsoft Word, which we had to purchase separately because my husband needed it for work. So that shouldn't really take long to do. And then we got a printer. We set up the printer to it. So that was really easy. He didn't even need to read the instructions for that. So we're going to be very, very happy with this computer. So this is the HP Envy 360. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day. Thanks, everybody.